Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute star-shaped cozy cup holder. This project is beginner-friendly, easy to customize, and super practical because it's a 2-in-1 design. You can use it as a cup holder, then fold it into a small charm to hang on your bag or keychain. So grab your yarn and hook and let's start crocheting. For this project, I'll be using 5-ply milk cotton yarn and a 3mm crochet hook. To begin round 1, make a magic ring and chain 4. I'll place a stitch marker in the 3rd chain to mark the beginning of the round. Next, work 1 double crochet into the ring. Then chain 1. Repeat 1 double crochet and chain 1 until you have a total of 10 double crochets. Once you finish the last chain 1, pull the magic ring tight to close the center. Then join with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain at the beginning of the round. To start round 2, slip stitch into the 1st chain space. Then pull up your loop slightly higher than usual. In the same space, we will work a puff stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the space, and pull up a loop. Leave all loops on your hook. Repeat this process until you have 4 unfinished double crochet stitches on your hook. Once you have 4 stitches, yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook to complete the puff stitch. Then chain 1 to secure it. Then chain 3. Now repeat the same process in each chain space around until you have 10 puff stitches in total. Finally, slip stitch to join and complete the round. To begin round 3, chain 1. Work 1 single crochet into the 1st space. In the next space, we will start the star point. Work 1/2 double crochet and 2 double crochet. One treble crochet. Chain 3. Continue working in the same space, 1 treble crochet. 2 double crochet. And 1/2 double crochet, all into the same space. Then work 1 single crochet into the next space. Repeat this star point pattern around, alternating with 1 single crochet between each point until you complete 3 sections. Then continue by chaining 45 to make the hanging loop. Slip stitch into the 2 loops before the starting chain to secure the hanging loop. Then continue working the same star point pattern again. Into the next space, make your full star point, then single crochet into the next space. Repeat this for the remaining sections. Finally, join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Cut the yarn, fasten off, and weave in all ends. Make 2 pieces in total. For the second piece, repeat the same steps, but do not crochet the hanging loop. Place the 2 pieces together with the wrong sides facing each other. Insert your hook into the space between the stitches, then chain 1 to begin. Work 1 single crochet into the same space. Then continue with 1 single crochet in each stitch across for a total of 9 single crochets. In the corner space, work 3 single crochets into the same space. Continue working like this around the piece, 1 single crochet in each stitch and 3 single crochets in each corner space. When you reach this section, work 1 single crochet into the space. Then work 2 single crochets into the same space, but this time they're only one piece. Next, work 4 single crochets. Chain 3. Skip 1 stitch, then work another 4 single crochets. Work 2 single crochets into the last space. Finally, join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet of the round. For the net section, start by chaining 1 and making 1 single crochet. Next, chain 10. Skip 5 stitches, then work 1 single crochet into the 6th stitch. Repeat this pattern all the way around. When you reach the end of the round, chain 5. Then make a triple treble crochet into the first single crochet to join. To make a triple treble crochet, yarn over your hook 4 times. Insert your hook into the first single crochet stitch and pull up a loop. You will now have 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops at a time. Repeat this step slowly until only 1 loop remains on your hook. This completes the triple treble crochet stitch. For the next round, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet into the first space. Then chain 10 again and work 1 single crochet into the next space. Repeat this pattern around for the entire round. Continue repeating the same round until you have a total of 7 rounds. Continue to the last round by chaining one and making one single crochet. Then, chain 3 and work 3 single crochets into the next space. Repeat this pattern around for a total of 9 times. At the end of the round, work 2 single crochets into the last space. Then join with a slip stitch to finish the round. For the handle, start by chaining 2. Next, begin making a linked stitch with 2 unfinished double crochets. Yarn over, insert hook, pull up a loop, leave it on the hook, and repeat once more until you have 5 loops. Yarn over and pull through 4 loops, then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops to complete the stitch. Repeat, chain 2 and 2 unfinished double crochets until you reach your desired length. Connect the handle to the other side with 2 slip stitches. Then fasten off and weave in all ends. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this star-shaped cozy cup holder. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crochet projects. See you in the next video.